Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates. Inside Story Uganda.
Ranging inside every problem, and the professor told the young man, what Mirundi says is factual, and the professor gave this young man examples, and every time the man raised the issue, he said yes. Who is evicting people from their land, and not people from the Ruviri? The man said yes. Who are grabbing people's property? Who are grabbing people? Na kafuna meetings are with billions is interesting. One they are talking about Baganda. Nti Abaganda bebalo propaganda bandamu. Fene tuyingira okudya sente. Eyo nayo oba nagitwalirani, oba nagiwa ku kabaka ategeere nti bali abasajja bejjerera. Bagamba Omuganda yagenda mu revenue n'agamba banne tezo container siza mivumba ayina byaleeteramu. Omuganda butoda be bajja ne batubuulira nti bakatongole baagala ku financing Muganda candidate
baba mu utoda
ntujije bone tuleta bus tuoze Baganda tuleta mayambala ata ne mayambala alinga kulubya
mukwano gwa Conrad
tebajja kuba bayina kuttibwanga basezi
nkiraba
omusezi mu Buganda tumusonsa mizingonyo paka lwafu
Omuganda yakizula tani mizingonyo gitoba
mumukuna mibumu tine musongo
naye yakitegeera atya Omuganda yategeera atya ekimizingonyo Baganda muli bazibu nnyo
nkugamba nti Obote to government. Although Paulo Mwanga paved the way for Obote's return, after decimating the opposition, PC developed cracks. As early as 1982, reports indicated that Brigadier Itojoko had become a threat to the two principals, Mwanga and Obote. Obote was concerned about Ojoko's death. Ojoko was in charge of Coffee Marketing Board, which was a national treasure for Uganda since the country relied on coffee exports. It is reported that the water concern did not go well with the Ojoko, who reminded Obote that he would be the last person to raise a finger at the theft in the Coffee Marketing Board because Obote himself was a product of a rigid election. When Parliament was debating the motion with which government wanted to the 10 MPs, Ojoko threatened to topple government. I quote him. I was in Parliament at that time, 1983. A report. I don't say that I'm one of the man. I'm only intelligent. I witnessed Ojoko used to sit on the side of the DP side, the opposition side. I don't know why. Ojoko said, I saw this man, Kulaiji, talking the same language but politely. Ojoko said, honorable members, I'm afraid if this motion is passed as it is, tomorrow, I can assure you, you will not be seated in the same seats you are occupying now. Ojoko, who used to sit on the side of the opposition, sternly warned the then Speaker Francis Butagira. Francis Butagira responded hurriedly and suspended the debate and picked another item on the paper. Yeah, Ojoko bweyamala okwogera n'ayimirira ndoza yashouting and abashaitisi yamulonda. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm afraid if this motion you are debating is passed as it is, I'm afraid tomorrow you will not be seated in the same seat you occupy now, and he walked out. Butagira yagamba next on the agenda.
Kati ekyo nekitegeeza ki?
Neba nabamajenti mubajo obutayina kye bwakolawo Omuganda akugamba nti oluvannyuma yalaba ekyoto bwe kyakumiddwa obubi. Omuganda
senge kuzabadde bwezi
ekyoto balina bwe bakikumu bakyamwana muto bakyaki. Kakati person who never came, who never responded to a goon, abantu nga bakaaba. When he comes to show his relevance, agamba mu ekyoto mwakikumye bubi. If you had come earlier tetwali kikumye obubi. Kati all these people are complaining about the presence of the army. Tebalwana. They are seeing the army embarrassing them. Resistance councils, no. Local councils. National Resistance Army, no. UPDF. Tebagala to be reminded kuba tebalwana. And what amazes me, tinabe nyini nibabikiriza nibabikyusa.
Oyite Ojoko eyali omusajja omuki. Yali mukyoli.
Nabaga nti lwaki njogera Mugema omukulu w'ekika ky'enkimu
yajjaawo.
Lwaki soogera ndi mutaani wa Yowaana Mirundi. Lwaki Mugema ajja? Yogera abakulu b'ekika abo babiri.
Naye toyogera ku Mugema.
Yogera ab'ekika abo basatu. Mugema kye yakola emmindi tumujjukire gati ni baga yakola printing press. Lwaki mbakulaminga singa eyakola olubuga amanyiddwa, yakola emmindi amanyiddwa, yakola effumu amanyiddwa.
Abo solo kwogerako. Naye bano
I will be talked about for 100 years.
Tebana relevance.
Era nze bwe nali nsoma primary school twateganga ku lubaawo ne ku miti ku mbaawo.
Never forget.
Never forget. Nyai said my results will always remind my presence. Saakiteekayo. Twateekako
never forget kyamala emirundi.
Naye ate nabazimbira ebizimbe ebipya. Yes, Amini yagamba ti baba balifiri bababba mbikonde mukube knockout.
Agweri.
Agweri. Ate omuzungu anaku knockout bajibba. Naye gwe bagenda ne bamutega najja zonna n'ayitawo.
Olutalo Muwanga era abasoddufu amu babisigadde mu babiri mu kaabo kati.
This is how Paulo Muwanga and Milton Obote plotted to kill Ito Ojoko through Reverend Kiraga Kato, a close confidant of Paulo Muwanga. It is alleged that the bomb which exploded and destroyed the helicopter ending Ito Ojoko's life was planted by Kiraga Kato. Kato was supposed to remain at the military base Ito Ojoko was visiting. However, after listening to the soldiers and their required logistics, Ito Ojoko decided to return to Kampala with Kiraga Kato. Why do I believe this as assassination theory? If the NRA rebels and this were responsible for the crash of Ito Ojoko helicopter, as some people allege, they would have immediately released the story of Ojoko's death. It was not the rebels who released the information first. It was Paulo Muwanga early morning. Secondly, there was no panic in the government at all. Given the position of Ito Ojoko at that time, the Minister of Defense, Paulo Muwanga, just announced Ito Ojoko's death in the 6 a.m. radio announcement, and the government contained the situation. Muwanga did not blame it on the rebels either. He explained that it was purely a normal accident. Thirdly, the body of Kiraga Kato was not burnt at all to ashes like that of other occupants in the chopper. This indicates that Kato had prior knowledge and tried to jump out of the helicopter for safety. Finally, it was a common practice for Obote to order for serious incidents like arrests of important people while he is away from office or out of the country. During the 1966 crisis, Obote fled to his country home for 90 days. He wanted the situation to worsen. The then President Said Mutesa II sent a message through Army Commander Shaban Muporoti for Obote's return to Kampala to solve the crisis. Obote was bathing in his compound at night with his wife, and upon seeing Oporoti, he took off naked, thinking he was going to be arrested. This is why the couple fled while naked. Obote later returned to Kampala and addressed a press conference in which he dismissed allegations that he was planning to abrogate the independent constitution. I will quote Obote. I have led this country with clean hands. My enemies are circulating malicious reports that I want to abrogate the constitution. How can I turn against the constitution I struggled to make when the opposition leader Ben Hiwaruka stormed out of the constitution talks in London? He asked. However, did not act exactly. He did exactly what he was denying a few days ago. Even at the time when he was overthrown in 1971, Obote was in Singapore. However, he had left behind the directives to have Amin arrested. Therefore, Ito Ojoko's death fits the pattern. It happened when Obote was away on a foreign trip. On his return, he shook hands with Paulo Muwanga only, and he left the other ministers. This is how another side of the story. It is alleged that Muwanga acted alone to weaken Obote. It is alleged that Obote even feared assassination upon his return. I don't believe in this story. Muwanga was still loyal to his boss. Had not established any contact with the rebels. He met Chunda Kivejinja in Germany later, and afterwards he made the delegation of rebels led by Major Katabalwa. This was the time when the leadership of UPC split to the core. Obote shifted the trust from Muwanga to Chris Lwakasisi and Peter Otai. This is why all of those who attended the meeting with Muwanga's meeting with the Katabalwa's delegation were killed apart from Pamo Muwanga. The killers were led by the late Captain Namiti, Commander Simba Mbalala. Namiti was later arrested by NRA and died in custody. Olaba pattern je nkubulira
nene
nti buli enemy lwagenda abwayo pisi kasaba ategera nti DP bajimazi. They had to fight each other. It is better to have a sound opposition. In fact, a good strategist like me, I cannot buy off Bobi Wine's MPs. I cannot give Mpuga money and others to weaken Bobi Wine. No. If Bobi Wine or we lack an opposition organization, one will form it for himself. Or we shall face what we call a headless revolution. Abantu bajja kuyika mu luguudo. Ola bwe baduka, ola bebizimbe bukutumula.
Batugambe kisoboka wano.
Oba fire brigade tesobola kuzikiza akatale ezikize famu yente. Ngente masavu.
Ekyoko yiwa mukubo.
Kubanga n'abanyankole nabo mubabonyabonyeza. This group eno ekyayisiza mu 7 teri tribal, teri nepotistic.
Bana iliyo nabakabanga abanyankole.
Jogolyo kanti mwe abalamu nyina gena
babakwate ko babasibe.
Biden abatukwatidde.
Iyo akitulinda Biden.
That's why niyo colonialism.
Akuliro lubiri
bakanti obusajja buno
akuliro
bumulemye
akuliro lubiri abakwate
abuteke mu nkanga babutwale.
Muwanga yabeera ki omusajja omugezi ennyo kutuuka kukola n'abasajja bwati.
Muwanga overthrows Obote. Remember the gist of this submission is that once a united group whose unity is as a result of a common enemy goes, the unity of all alliance develops cracks. The Bushwa in Luweero had united the Acholis and Langis because Museveni's victory spelled doom to them. However, they lost the war due to the high number of human losses and low morale. The Acholi soldiers who formed the bulk of UNLF started complaining that while they were losing lives on the front in large numbers, the Langi officers were busy stealing money in the public house, the headquarters of the army. They further alleged that Langis registered a few casualties because they were not deployed at the front line, but given his assignments. This was the period when Wito Joko died. Obote found himself in an awkward situation. He could not entrust the army to an Acholi when the same group was disbanded. The Acholi, on the other hand, wanted one of their own, especially Basil Olalokero, to succeed Wito Joko as army chief of staff. In my opinion, the Acholis were not fair to Obote because Okero was already the army commander. The chief of staff could not be an Acholi. However, since they did not trust any other officer outside their two tribes, they could not resolve this problem. There were possible replacements like Major Chiyonga, Chiyengo. Chiyonga yali mukubi wa mundu mulungi nnyo. Era yabattanye tebamuteeka mu magye. Mwali Gomba Yebas. There were Captain Namiti and others. There were also Nanyumba. The Acholi outside the Acholi Lango region, Obote finally appointed Brigadier Smith upon Acha, a fellow Lango, despite his record of indiscipline, had no respect for the Okolos, who were sitting in rank above him. Furthermore, Achaka, who was a heavy drinker, who always carried a large container of Liralira in the escort vehicle, he also did not take a part in the Liberation War. He joined the Liberation War in 1978 after completing a training course in army tanker operations in Greece. However, Obote plotted to isolate Muwanga and the two Okeros when he appointed upon Acha, a fellow Langi. Secondly, with the help of British military teams, Britain maintained the British military training team. Tanzania also had Australian commandos. Obote trained over 20,000 troops and under Lieutenant Colonel Charles Ogole to command an operation to flash out Museveni 104. The plot to tame Paulo Mwanga's influence. Dr. Obote also appointed Peter Otai as the Minister of State for Defense with the powers and the finances to flash out rebels. Also interested Kurisi Rwakasisi, who was spitting the fire with the Minister of Security in Constitution Pharaoh Nasa, Dr. Obote's spy agents. Rwakasisi was at the time not seeing eye with Paulo Mwanga. He used the opportunity through Chinyankole proverbs to reveal the fresh relations between Mwanga and Obote. It was at this point that Mwanga changed his attitude towards opposition politicians. He reinforced FEDEMO and UFL, which had earlier crashed. This is how he managed to form a coalition about his town. Paulo Mwanga wanted to introduce a new political dispensation which would effectively isolate Yoweri Museveni as a Mwanga. He crafted the government of national unity, which would be the Prime Minister, and Okello Lutwa became a ceremonial president. This means that Mwanga wanted to realign the country at independence stage. Mwanga managed to convince the fighting groups to join the government of national unity except NRA. Trouble for Paulo Mwanga came when a coalition suffered the collapse. The NRA leadership was totally opposed to Paulo Mwanga. In fact, Mwanga had killed many rebel activities at his office in Air Mansion than Obote. Second, Okello wanted to use the military force to defeat Museveni, which failed. People like Colonel Gad Wilson and Toko wanted the war to continue. Toko was receiving financial benefits from Egypt and messages to Lutwa's government. The Okellos believed that they would fill the gap left behind by belonging with the people from Western Nile. This is when they blundered by reinforcing their army with the former Mini soldiers. Take it. Kakati.
Abasajja tebazanya.
Kasita story yemu
akazu.
Once
akazu politics.
Ono nanyi ne buyinza alozambu Museveni wakwata power ng'okijjawa. Ani akumanyi? Ani akwagala gwe nga twakunze bantu todduka wano.
Akazu politics.
Nga tukunze abantu wano. Wuya.
Omukwata.
Badduka emisinde bwadduka. Abo tutte mulabe. N'envunyu mugisa.
Banga bw'osinziira mu kitabo ekyo kino ekya akazu politics. Kinyonyola kiraga abasajja bano nti bonna baali strategic. Baali b'amaanyi.
Balina w'obalira obubi.
N'olwokuba nti akazu yabayisa obuzibu.
Tolaba abazannyi b'amatatu. Alina w'abalira obubi. Era omuzannyi w'amatatu omulungi bwe gamala okuggwa
bwakolera jje nga nalabudde ajje. N'addamu n'agatunulaga nti bwabe nakoze ensobi.
Yes. If you blunder with this power, nga mudduka.
Ng'obeera nga Okello Lutwa bwe yali oyita ejjooko Obote Basili Okello Olala n'abalala. Sajja baali b'amaanyi abo bafuna kyaka.
I'm considering. Kuba ye president nja kukamuwa.
Baana baakasomye.
I don't think that it would be in the interest, but professor is a professor. He chased away the younger man from his office. With your arrogance, get out of my office. I pray for you. Not to allow Mutwego now, Freeman got of you. Eggwanga olimanyi gwe gomanyi dynamics z'eggwanga nti kuba olina ssente.
Tamanyi akazu politics.
Twakunze abantu wano bw'ataddukira mu helicopter yeebagala seddume yantu okudduka.
Anoonya akatabo how akazu politics.
Nze nkubuulira. When I write. Kakati kano akatabo.
Baana baagala okutegeera ekiriwo.
Akatabo kano nakawandiika ddi. Kakebe. Tujja kumulabako ng'adduka.
Authored by Tamale Mirundi.
Sunday
5th March 2020 at my residence at Zana. Badde nnyonnyola bw'oti nti authored by Tamale Mirundi, Sunday 5th March 2020 at my residence at Zana, completed at 4:30 p.m. This Matabi Day was celebrated under quarantine due to coronavirus. Watch out, the future will exonerate me.
Yes. Yes.
What was that?
The future. You can abuse me. I'm a madman.
The future will tell. The right Mirundi. How Akazu politics runs countries. Very interesting.
Temwalizemu kutabangula Kampala. bali mu wino bali luddawo. These people nawandiika akatabo kano nti Kampala
a victim of foolish spirit syndrome.
Busiru bwe butawanya Kampala. Ate
lwaki wateekako ekifaananyi ekyo? Lwaki?
Ng'ekimu kigamba kinne waakyo.
Jack,
when are you conceiving? John, we have been in marriage for only 5 years. Let us have sex everything. Nabaga nti baminisita b'omu Kampala nabana abo bakisaka. Oba kisaka kitegeeza oba bbaawe oba baana baali mutuuma ku ssomero.
Kishaka? Oba bakijja mu Luganda ni Kisaka?
Amannyago. Abaana abalenzi bayinza okutuuma erinnya. Kubanga, you see, I'm not abusive, but I'm a mass community.
But the future will exonerate you.
I say,
at the end of the day.
I say, a fool is described as a person who does the same thing again and again, expecting different results. That's a fool. After reading the above presentation and submission, I now need to go to the title of my book, Kampala City. The foolish spirit syndrome. Psychologists tell us that a fool is a person who does the same thing over again, expecting different results.
Omugwagwa yakola ekintu n'akiddiŋŋana ng'asuubira ebyenjawulo okukivaamu.
The ministers of Kampala, all of these people, betekame yaliramu enjawulo gy'alabamu naye olaba ono omukama mwana buti ng'alinga yogeza amaanyi amayitirivu ennyo. This is why I say Kampala is haunted by a fool's spirit. There is a fool's spirit hanging around in the office of the town clerk. Because nkugamba nti kakati today mwali badde mutabangula Kampala. Nabawandikira ne mbagamba
ekitabo kye ekirala
mukana akatabo Bobi Wine Butuzo 17 nimbaga ajja kuba face mujja kufeesa naye bamufudde Golodimai bamuleeta. President amugalira galaze bazisente bazimuwa ekiro until a man called Amsterdam grabbed him from there namutwala musayi be bamuleeta Bobi Wine
nebagamba nti Amsterdam mufere
n'ekibiina ne bakimuwa kumbe
musajja wa CIA. Kakati
ne mbagamba nti ekizibu kye mufunye kiri kimu ba MPs bonna tebenkana
mukutegeera muki
ba MPs nabagamba nti tewali badda mukazi ono Kisaka kutabula Kampala kati natabula owino omwana mwamutabula dda. You are haunted by a fool's spirit. I'm going to read here. That attacking markets, attacking was done long time ago, but because there is a foolish spirit hanging around in the Kampala State Council, they repeat the same mistakes.
It is a syndrome now.
You take Museveni's approach. Bobi Wine can be sorted out by politics. Let us go give our security forces, put the army back, bring in riot police to do this work. Because ICC...
Not the military police.
Yes. Sente nokolema atuochi.
Not the military police.
No kwate meri y'abantu kuba oyinayo hoteri n'ogiwamba. Gwe singa kufubutulayo gwe sese gwe oyinza okusigaza y'akantu. Ayagala okulaba Museveni yagendanga mu hoteri esese n'asasula $1 10,000.
Ne sente bazijjawo ezo. Zonna zebakolamu ebintu ne fujja eryenkanidde awo.
Bagenda kutema stomach worms, kill their host. We attacked inside. Where you go? Nzenje kubira wanga netu.
Sebusiri bwanjoka mirundi kyategeeza nti sebusiri bwanjoka butanyirizo.
Banuwa baliyo. I now believe nti banuwa baliyo. We have told these people. Obusuma n'obujozi. Buli akoze nammwe n'agenda ng'akaaba. Politics is for allies. You can have a hunting dog and a master relationship. Oh, you're not going to, what's it? You must work under somebody. No, me, I cannot.
So, Chayagala.
But you know, kufuga. Or you know, kubanga, you were supervised. No. Sisobola. Kakati mumuchi iwe. Nkugamba.
Somatulire.
Although one can say that all members of parliament are equal, the fact is that it is completely untrue. I wish to explain this further. If all members of parliament were equal, how come that some are appointed ministers while others are not? Katino president ya reduces the minister to
Animal Farm
to 21 bakera badduka bagenda kivula baba joga olina abasibya olunaku lulamba. Were you born a minister? Me, I'm enjoying myself. For the last 7 years, I have not received a telephone call from somebody. No minister can ring me. Where do I fall? What minister am for? Secondly, why do some members of members contribute to debate in the parliament, while others spend years without making a maiden speech? Furthermore, isn't it true that state-based legislators beat their counterparts from rural areas on mass mobilization? The reason is simple. This is because legislators from urban constituencies have much more influence than those from rural areas. This is because revolutions that culminate into fall of government start in the cities. If I may ask, how many rural groups have ever removed a government from power? Even if it happens, leaders must rely on street dwellers after the successful takeover. In the former Soviet Union, a strong military attempted to overthrow the then President Mikhail Gorbachev in a purge, only to be thwarted by the then Communist Party chairperson in Moscow, and Boris Yeltsin, and the coup flopped. Another important aspect in Bobi Wine's victory, and cannot be ignored, is that he defeated candidates sponsored by major political parties. Interestingly, both leaders, John Yoweri Museveni and Dr. Kizza Besigye, who were given blood nose, had strategic interest in the constituency. Noteworthy also is that Dr. Kizza Besigye is a resident in the same constituency, and he supported his candidate together with the entire leadership of his political party. On the other hand, the ruling party NRM suffered a huge embarrassment when one of their founder members and war hero, Madam Gertrude Njuba, broke the party rules and supported Bobi Wine. Thirdly, besides offering a proxy support, no opposition party openly supported Bobi Wine, as was the case of Nsamba. Bob had rubbed the establishment the wrong way when they tried to grab his land through Buganda Land Board. Bobby's supporters responded in a crude manner and produced abusive recordings against the Kabaka on social media. Bobi Wine never succumbed to political scavengers. At one time, it was Bobi Wine told me that when he approached Nambos to campaign for him, Nambos allegedly demanded shillings 10 million to participate in his campaign. On the other side, Mengo feared to take him on due to his popularity. Finally, Bobi Wine did not spend millions of money the same way his rivals did. His driving factor was frustration among the youth, which no political party addressed. Kakati mwe, Bobi Wine ayina ebintu bibiri. One, having abandoned his former mentors, he cannot work with them. Bamutta. Ekitegeeza he must remain defiant.
Ate ne bano byeyegatta nabo ng'ajja mu parliament abamu nabo yabateeka bbali.
Ye Bobi Wine akugambye nti lunatwala lw'abantu abali ba ssente bampuuka bannamulindyamu kalevu ono Segona bakazungu bagezeeko basale eddiiro olabe olabe mpuuga nga tadda Masaka bobukootikooti bonna
bali ba ssente
amayinja kakati nga twazeemu ebivulu abakusasira bayimbi mpozi gabiri sponsored. Why? Because the money is here in the urban cities. But bamanyi nabawulidde abasajja nga boogera nga bagamba naye mirundi alizo kubanga atulyamu olwo tiwa mirundi awagira Museveni, mirundi ayambala gundi za Museveni, mirundi
enkofiira
n'ateeka yusiye ku bbali wali n'omuserikale wa military police oba police n'ajokinga n'abantu ferire
n'ennyondo ye ng'ataagirina.
How does he do it?
nga tamba n'ennyondo ye
nakakati wano
n'ekidomola kya acid
babadde bansibidde ku road block ababoda
mu muzeeyi bamugulire.
I fight for them. I tell them nti si Museveni wouldn't like abantu bakubonaabona. This is waliwo ali munda muli waliwo akolera mu Museveni nga muntu wennyo.
Museveni omwagala bwagazi nnyo.
No, I know. Nti ayina revolutionary.
Bantu bagamba eyo nti ye kagwa yagala.
Nedda anti era bali bwe bagamba nti fatu kuba abantu batutte. Museveni yaleeta abantu okusomera obwereere. Would you believe nti Museveni would like Ministry of Education okujoona? I heard him talking. They have disagreements. But I tell them they should solve the disagreements through technical people.
Kubana biremye bya kusoma.
No, I know. Nti Museveni revolutionary.
Mafia politics.
Kakati golaba mawulire bakuba. Amasomero bagatunda amasomero. Era yokoloba mu sente nti agula amasomero. How can you say nti abaana babadde ebweru nga tebasoma bakola bigezo? Then if it is possible ku mwana abadde tasoma okujja okukola ebigezo kati amasomero gafuuke examination centers.
Ngabana bagenda kugenzera bakola ebibuuzo.
Nti bino ebibuuzo bye bateeka mu paper mu mpapula z'amawulire. What are the saturation levels of these newspapers? 2. If every parent can teach his own children, lwaki tubatwala mu ssomero? Kubanga nkugamba a professor of history cannot teach biology. Ekitegeeza n'omwana ono wa nursery n'owaki tewali parent asobola musomesa. Bagambako abasomesa ba primary nti mukole ebigezo bya primary ne babigwa. Kakati ani alimu ono anyampise swaga yatwala sente za radio, sente za Museveni za radio ne TV. Omenya abanyankole bagamba mbwa nyampise ekiniganya mu mpale kuba balyanga bulo akisindika
kansoke mulabi
yetasindika ono yagira buzi yetasindika
ani oyo
ono tasindika
anto mundagako
radio za Museveni ziriwa nabagamba nti ono azitutte anyampise swaga ono yewa swaga
muniga.
Do you think Nti Museveni would like a president to say every family will have a TV set and a radio set in yellow? This would mean that Museveni is seen inside somebody's house. Sentence it again to Museveni yabikola. Do you believe it? Ndibino Museveni yabikola. Omukubanga n'okulangirira ne kitajja. There must be an explanation. You must explain to people. The ministers must explain. Tisente tulabye nga COVID agenda kakati mwakola eddagala lya COVID ne mulikola. Kakati ate lwaki mwaniriza eryebweru? Lwaki ate mukkiriza erya China n'Amerika? Eryammwe eryalagawa. Nga Bobi Wine bwakugamba. Bobi Wine akugamba bannayuganda abali ebweru bamugulidde emmotoka gundi ekakulirima.
Mwami Tamale akatabo kabadde abalaga kagamba nti mafia grabs Museveni's polls, radio money.
Yes.
Sente bazibbe za radio.
Bobi Wine n'akugamba naye nakawandiika ddi?
Ebisera by'okugira kufulumya radio ne TV.
Unanyampise swaga. Yetasindika yetali akalo. Yetasindika. Akatabo kana kawandiika ddi. Tekaliko date naye kalongeego.
Nendo za kabisa bya radio bino. Batandika okwagala okubira radio zino.
Nkogamba. Bobi Wine sayinza kunnemba. Nti bannayuganda abali ebweru bamugulidde emmotoka. Tekiriyo. Nga ab'Emmengo Mayiga yakwatanga abantu 36 n'agenda n'ab'e Dubai n'agenda n'ab'e America. How much money he used to get? Era nze nabagamba nti it is not a commercial. Either batwala abaana bakuba kyeyo oba bajjayo sente za muntu za campaign batwala njaga. Mayiga yakwata delegation y'abantu 36 n'agenda mu America yajja batwala 2.
Nga neza abatenye.
Nakwata abantu 36 n'agenda n'ab'e Dubai. Ekyava mu balwanira kabala ka Bukedi.
Kawalachi.
Ekitegeeza, this was not a commercial trip. These were not commercial trips. How many Ugandans do have money abroad? Abakola emirimu egy'ebbeeyi. In fact, abantu abakola emirimu egy'ebbeeyi mu America Abaganda bava wano mu 66.
Abagenda abo ne bava mu America ne beeyongera mpaka Canada.
If you go to Britain, most of our children bali ku kyeyiwa kakati pound bali bakola pound 5 an hour. Abantu ne bava mu Eastern Europe. Bo betegese n'okukolera paundi 3.
Ate nga bakale eri.
Kakati nga ffe abasomera.
N'okutegeera kwabwe nga kwanjawulo.
Nga ffe abatalina accent. Bayinza okuwa omulimu mu banka ng'olina PhD. Bakasoma ne bagamba which language is this man? Tolaba abayindi bano. Abayindi tebakyayogera kya luzungu lwa kya. No. Abaana bwe babatwala ne bakulirayo. To have their accent.
Basobola okufuna esente bamanyi kye baagala.
Yes, kakati toyinza kuga nti Bobi Wine
wane wamwe mubatwala kubasaddaaka kubaja mu mitima.
Bobi Wine amubuuza kino ekidomola ky'amata wakijja wambukikamye mu kamyu kange. Bobi Wine alimba. Ate Bobi Wine bw'ataabe mugezi nkubuulira bano abasajja babala. Ojja kusanga emmotoka eyo nga yavudde mu terrorist organizations. I don't accept the donations. I'm looking for a competent, credible donor. Ngaba UNESCO bani to get me a grant to reproduce all my books in different languages. Nisunu eyekwese
ennaku zebamwaza gwako
kudya sente ne ziva e Dubai bakukwatire wano
nga bamafiya basinzidde eri
pulezidenti baali bampadde 20 biliyoni zange nti olutalo lugwe nanziremera kakati bo balowooza nembawulira nga boogera if you give this man money tajja tukolera you become annoyed that's why I have decided to go home kwega nabakolyanga kubwerere nowulira nti simanyi King Mike avuga emotoka ya miliyoni n'abaana bo ne bakubuuza nikuga n'abasajja wabakolaki nti bajja kweyambisiranga bwerere
malenga nti bakuwanga eddalu wabakoleranga
kana akamotoka kaabwe kano ewange emotoka tezimizemu omuddo sente samudede
nzimanyi emotoka nyingi
yes era kendi wuli ayogera akamotoka ako ka UC nga nkavuga nga katwala eruwa ku poliisi nga nkabalekerawo
tebajja kwogerako kubanga tukyayagala akakutambuze
kakati nkugamba nti temwali onoonyeka